The Malcolm Lester Phi Beta Kappa lectures bring major thought leaders in American higher education to Mercer to talk about the value and importance of a liberal arts education in American public life. In the past 3 years, we've featured some very impressive speakers. This year's speaker is Dr. William D. Adams, and he's going to talk about liberal arts in the context of the COVID pandemic. While Mercer has weathered the pandemic effectively, that hasn't been the case for the landscape of higher education. Dr. Adams' lectures assess the impact of the pandemic and focus on what's crucially important about a liberal arts education going forward. These lectures are timely. They speak directly to current events going on at this moment, and they ask crucial questions about what's going to happen to us as a nation in the immediate future and also longer term. All 3 lectures will be available for live streaming at pbk.mercer.edu. We believe they will invite you to ask important questions about the function of a university like Mercer and about the role of the next generation in American public life. And so we encourage you to join us for the lecture series streamed online.